Hi, this is a video review of the indicate TU-8100, and this is a review for the optional parts OP-8100. I ordered the parts from Japan. This indicate original the knob here is, I think, knob, and this one, I don't know what this called, cage or something, is to stabilize this tube. This is the original color, gray. I custom painted in gold leaf color. I think should goes on top to stable the tube, so make no noise that way. Yeah, should be look like that. This is the kit. You need to assemble this. Let's see the back. And here's the bottom. So the original kit is rubber fit. Okay, take me maybe 10 minutes to find the tunes to assemble those. Here's the parts I took out. The center knob, and replace it with, I think it looks like a brush finish metal, very high quality. And I replace the rubber fit with this looks like aluminum finish base. Okay, what I think is for parts alone, it's alright, the price to pay. But for the shipping,